Good morning, students. Today we will start with chapter 1 of literature book, that is The River Bank. The novel opens during springtime while Mole is conducting his annual spring cleaning around his underground burrow home. Suddenly, he is struck by a feeling of discontent and immediately tunnels his way out of the earth and up into the middle of a field. Hearing the bird chirp and feeling the sunshine on his fur, he realizes that he has spent too much time underground, especially during this recent weather. He decides to explore his surroundings and soon arrives at the hedge. Several rabbits block the pathway and demand he pay money in order to pass through to their private path. He keeps traveling further and further away from home across meadows and fields until he finally reaches a wide river. Something on the opposite river bank catches Mole's eyes and he discerns a small hole just above the waterline. He wonders about living in that hole, but then Water Rat pops out. Being a friendly animal, Rat brings his personal rowboat to Mole and invites him for a picnic on the river. After Mole unpacks the basket, they discuss life on the river, which Rat loves all above all else. Suddenly, Otter comes into the clearing, slightly upset that he had not been invited to the picnic. He settles down quickly, though, and he and Rat begin talking about Toad and Badger. Once Otter leaves to chase a mayfly, Rat ends the picnic. Mole insists on packing the basket himself but fails to do it correctly. After a few tries, he and Rat finally gets in the boat and head back to Rat home. Mole asks Rat if he can try steering the boat. Amused, Rat insists it's harder than it looks and promises to later give Mole lesson. Mole drags himself to land, embarrassed of how rudely he acted towards his new friend. However, after diving to fetch all his supplies, Rat forgives the younger animal and invites Mole to live with him as long as he likes. Hope you enjoyed story. Thank you.